Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here as always. Today I need to give Ethel a full major service. Well, not major, but I'm going to do engine oil, transmission oil, coolant, because I've got to change the bottom radiator hose and an oil filter. So I'm going to find out today if there is anything wrong with Ethel's engine and just get some fresh oils in it. The transmission needs some fresh oil as well. Not really worried about the diff. I did fresh oil in that not that long ago. But yeah, she's been copping a beating the last few days. Been out doing all sorts of shenanigans and cruising and all this, that and the other. So it's time to swap out her oil. I also need to investigate a non-boost control issue. You can hear the solenoid clicking, but it's not actually controlling any sort of boost, be it either the solenoid's stuck or something or other. So gonna have a look into that as well. So yeah, stick around, we'll get her up in the air. I'll probably do the transmission first and then drain out the engine oil out of it, and we'll have a look and see what's going on. This is my logging light. You guys tell me what you think. Like, it's still very shimmery, like there's metal in it. But if I look really close, it's only a very fine metallic. I mean, if I get it on my hand, it looks fairly normal. I don't know. Is it just E85 contamination? But I feel like it shouldn't look like metallic paint. Is there a problem with my engine? I don't know. I don't think there's a problem. I haven't heard anything strange. It doesn't knock. Doesn't do anything funny. It's just every time I dump my oil out, it looks like this. And I mean, this is only done like 2,000 Ks maybe, 2.5 at most. I don't know. What is your... Shut up, dog. What does your oil look like? Does it look like this, like it should be used for paint? I'll tip it into a drum, clean drum, and store it so I can send it away for a sample again, see what they come back with, I guess. Yeah, that's the one that I gave him. No. She'll be right. Full send. Alright. Well, that's going to be it from me in this video today, guys. Got the Beamang here, Beamang W. Probably not going to get anything done on this today, I don't have the time. But yeah, so Ethel's got nice fresh oil, transmission oil, new filter, and some coolant and a new radiator hose. I still need to look into why I'm having a boost control issue, but I'll probably look into that another day. I run out of time to really sort of get stuff done here today, so I'll have a look into that in another day. I'm hoping it's just a blocked Mac valve or something stupid like that. Did find one of the bungs loose on the wastegate, so that wouldn't have been helping. I did find one of the bungs missing on the top port, which wasn't helping either. But yeah, the solenoid works. You hear it clicking, it should be working. Tell me what you think about the oil. I guess maybe next time round I'll get something different when I go and buy oil. I just brought Penrite again because, well, that's all I could afford at the time. But yeah, she's not making any funny or weird noises or anything, so it's a bit weird what's going on. Maybe it's the oil, maybe it's something else. The same thing again. It's going to be Schrodinger's cat until I can figure it out. I'll just keep driving it until it spins a bearing or shits a camshaft or lifter or something. But yeah, anyway, thank you all for watching. Still got to get the throttle body mounted. I need to get TPS and a cable, some other bits and pieces before I can start. I don't want to start that until I got everything here. I've got to start on the intake manifold for this as well as wiring, and yeah, hopefully I can get this started up pretty soon. But anyway, that's going to be it for me in this video today, guys. Leave your comments down below, like the video, and subscribe if you're new. I will see you guys in the next one. Probably working on this. Well, I hope so. I mean, I've been promising that for videos. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Bye bye.
Did that just get in?
Yes.
Oh, Lord.